Gabriel. Gabriel. Is it good? Is it good? Better than Fortnite? Yes. Is it good? Better than Fortnite? Is it better than Fortnite? My mother? Oh, we're vlogging already. Me and Kate are together. Did you? What's it called? What's it saying? So we're at Memorial again, right? We're getting Cooper, my cousin, my baby cousin. He's turning 3, and I'm getting him shoes. Kate, where are you from? You're from Spruceton, Texas. Spruceton, Texas. I'm from Yeah, show my mom. Mom, do you want to be in a vlog? No, I'm good. Oh, later on. Oh, okay. Is that Louis? Yeah. Okay. Oh. She said yeah. Whipping out the Louis. Okay. Okay. Okay, Mom. And so this is a Kate Spade hand-me-down. Like this, Kate? So today, me and Yasmin are not matching. Do you not see? Okay. I rock it like that. I got it like that. I got it like that. Don't worry about It's me. Cold in here. Don't worry about me. Sleep back here. That is the move. Ladies. Okay, Mom, looking at Gucci? Okay. Gucci. Okay, Mom. Mom, show us your kicks. New nails. Suckables. My mom has that slick. Dude, I'm cold. Show them our bracelet. I gotta put it up here so it won't come down. I put it down there because, I don't know. Like, I'm the only person in Spruceton who wears bracelets like in Spruceton. Spruceton, Texas. James Avery, if you're watching this, hit me up. We're back. We are back at the van store. We need my phone number, 832. We are spoiling our kids. Right, Kate? Spoiling? Kate spoils me. Yes, ma'am. After you're signing up, just make sure you do that. And the keys, we got the backpack. Little one's over there, maybe. Oh, Kate. Let's see if it works. Whoa, Kate. Spoil. Ooh, okay. Okay. What? So, where are we at? Okay. Show me where's, huh? Mom eating some salad. I'm not recording your face. I'm funny. It's funny. Leaving Memorial City Mall. Yo.
Just for some shoes, put it on the sprinter, put it on the little boat. Yeah, falling them taking, I'm a boss and I'm up. Yeah, falling them taking, I'm a boss and I'm up.
I told you I spit.
Falling them taking, I'm a boss and I'm up.
Choke. Choke? How'd you choke? So We're at the Lemonade House. Lemonade, are you there? Whoa. I think Randy's in here. He told him to walk in. Hello? Sunny? So it's MTV Cribs. This is what houses look like in California, right? Especially if you're living in. So, 1, 2. So me and Yasmin took our shoes off. Thank you, Kate. That's how comfortable she is in my home. She didn't even have to ask. Where's the water bottles? Oh, in the fridge. They're cold. I don't keep water bottles cold. So, we just got our eyebrows done. Thank you. Must be nice. Oh crap, I don't have my phone. So, I just finished showing one side. I'm not gonna show my face, cause tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight with Kate. Kate, what you tonight's gonna be good night. Put my vest in your watch. This is the finishing touch. I do that for me. Pull up. So if you're wondering what products I use for this, look at for these curls. I use a straightener. That too. So I have a little bit more curls right here today. I use this. Like, I wash my hair, I put another product in, I don't have it, I just don't feel like getting up and going to my dresser. And then I use this to spray it on, and then I straighten my hair. And then I use this for finishing touch. Wait, you guys didn't even see the first product. Fix it. There we go. And then I use this as a finishing touch. Don't give me like in a bad angle.
It's not a bad angle.
Don't post it. Don't put it in the clip.
I'm gonna put it in the clip. Okay, Kate.
I'm gonna look like
Caitlin's getting ready.
What? So we're just like this because my baby cousin birthday theme is, I forgot, what is it? Avengers or like superhero. There you go. And this is what we came with. I'll see you guys there. I wonder who this could be.
Oh, hey, Kate. I'm here for Cooper's birthday.
Oh, hey.
Hey, Kate.
Hey.
What is this? Is this a party?
Yeah.
Oh,
Wait,
wow.
you see this? You pop them in.
Superhero?
Cocaine pops out. So my family's over here. This is my sister, Sam. Wave. Okay. All right.
And
So
this is for the big kids.
ooh. Oof.
Yeesh.
Those are presents. Look.
Christmas?
It's Christmas all over again. Okay, walk.
thanks,
Oh,
Kate.
walk. Keep walking. You're the one I'm supposed to be showing you. My family. My odd family. So, show us what we got here, Yasmin.
You show me your
Oh yeah. Cake. Fruit. Cooper.
fruta.
Can we get fruit?
Look at that.
I thought we were taking pictures or something. I already did.
Okay.
Thanks, Kate.
Okay.
What is
So.
going on outside?
didn't do it like that.
Who's this?
Oh look. She's blind. So be careful.
This.
Watch out, Madison. So, this is where the magic happens. Sprucestone, Texas. It's raining.
Wow.
It's raining outside. Look, it needs to focus. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's lit.
Do you like this?
I like that.
Did you bring your bathing suit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I came prepared.
All right, that's a bet. We better go fuck some shit up.
You gotta wait for those kids to move though.
All right, let's go back inside. And this is make. Should we interview my sister?
It's hard for me to put it together, and I'm not really.
Close the door and lock it. Keep them outside. So,
You know the chair? Where'd you put your chair?
Samantha, how are you feeling at this party?
Lit.
Why? I know.
You know, we got people here who don't like us.
Fake.
I want to see.
So, where we at, Yasmin?
I don't know where we got.
Where we at, Sam? This is my sister. Okay. So, you can tell me what you're eating at this 5-star restaurant?
This bag underneath is.
Hurry, quick.
I don't know what you call these Lays and then like some creamy sauce.
So, should we show them the party?
I know, but that's a different reason. Where's the line?
So, we're here getting faded at Q's. Samuel, say hi to our vlog.
Wait, get this side because Samantha did not cut this straight.
He got faded at Q's.
Yes, she did. So if you see uneven stuff, don't worry, it's all her. But hey.
Kate. Stop, that is such